Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today I have 4 Valentine's Day DIYs for you using dollar store or Dollar Tree items. I hope that you enjoy it. On the subject of love, here's a beautiful verse that I enjoy. 1 Corinthians 16:14. Let all that you do be done in love. Hope you enjoy the video. So for DIY number 1, we are going to be making the snack station. So you're going to need a container. This one actually comes with a lid, but I lost it. And the sign that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And last, you're going to need the bamboo cutting boards. This one is super easy. So you're going to glue the sign onto the bamboo cutting board, and then you're going to glue the storage kit onto your bamboo cutting board. And there you have it. I just put some candies in a lollipop, but you can actually put anything in it. I put some tea. You can use it for tea. You can use it for candies. You can use it for anything you like. So DIY number 2, we are making this really cute kissing booth card holder. So a wooden crate, and you're going to need this mini kissing booth sign. So I had these cute figures that I had in my craft stash, lips and some flowers, and I'm just gonna jazz up the kissing booth sign. Then I'm going to paint the crate white. Next, I am going to attach the kissing booth sign onto my crate, and I'm going to decorate it a little bit more by adding these paper roses. And there you have it, this really cute card holder. I love this because I can store my daughter's Valentine's Day cards in them, or you can store whatever you like. So the third DIY, we're gonna make this heart sign. So you're gonna need floral foam. You're also going to need some of the signs from the Dollar Tree and the pink Dollar Tree container. So basically what you're going to do is attach all the hearts to your sign. Now mine is going to say, be mine, cutie pie. Next, I attached the floral foam onto the bottom, and what I did was cut it to size so it fits the container. Put some pebbles to keep it from tipping over. Then I added some floral moss to finish off the look. And there you have it, a really cute Valentine's Day sign. The last DIY, we're going to make this resin floral arrangement, and you're going to need some florals, and you're going to need a glass container from the Dollar Tree. And the Dollar Tree has these resin kits. So you're going to need an A part and a B part. Now I use 2 of them. So what I'm going to do is just trim my flowers down to size. And for this craft, I use some Dollar Tree florals and some florals that I already had. So for mixing the resin, what I did is mix 2 containers of A and 2 containers of B. You want to make sure you're wearing gloves in a well-ventilated area. Next, I poured the resin in the glass container and basically arranged my faux florals. Have it a beautiful floral arrangement using majority Dollar Tree items. And that is all the DIYs that I have for you today. If you have a favorite, please comment below. If you like what you see, please subscribe, hit the alarm button, and join me next time for our next video. Bye!